thank the Legacy Foundation for all the support. Without them, these virtual programs would not be possible. So thank you. Now today, we're going to be making bird feeders on
At Home STEM.
So for this project, all you will need is a half cup of water, a half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, bird seed, 4 cups, string, scissors, cookie cutters, and a pine cone, also a bowl to mix all your ingredients. Now before we start, here are some fun facts about birds. As you may know, birds have feathers, lay eggs, are warm-blooded, and fly. There are also over 10,000 different species of birds, and an ostrich is the largest bird in the world. You may also know that birds evolved from dinosaurs.
To make your birdseed solution, you're going to need 4 cups of birdseed.
You will also need half a cup of water, then a half a cup of flour, lastly you will need 2 tablespoons of corn syrup.
Once you have your solution together, you're going to mix it till it's all combined. Once your solution is all combined, you're going to take your cookie cutter and take your cookie cutter, grab some of the bird seed and stick it into the cookie cutter. Make sure to fill it up till it's completely full. And then if you want to, you can use your finger and poke a little hole in it so you can put string in it, but that is optional. So next we're going to be making a second option for your bird feeder. You can take a pine cone and roll it into the corn syrup. Make sure to get your pine cone fully coated. Once your pine cone is fully coated, you're going to take it and roll it all into the bird seed, making sure to get it nice and coated. Once your pine cone is fully coated, you're going to take a piece of string. This is optional if you want to hang it from a tree. Take it and then you just tie it around the top part of your pine cone. So for your cookie cutter option, you're gonna let this one dry overnight, and then the next day you can take off the cookie cutter and then put a string through it if you so wish. Same with this one, you can let it dry overnight before you hang it from a tree.
And that's all for today's project. I hope you guys had a lot of fun making these bird feeders at home. I know we did. And I hope to see you all next time on
At Home STEM.